guys, welcome to my kitchen, and today I'm going to make puto. Zechariah 12:1 says that the Lord stretched forth the heavens, laid the foundations of the earth, and formed the spirit of man within him. No one can deny that these three items, the heavens, the earth, and the spirit of man, are crucial in God's creation to fulfill His purpose. The heavens were created for the earth was created for man, and man was created for God. And in Isaiah 43:7, everyone who is called by my name, whom I have created, formed, and even made for my glory. Thus, all God's elect can be considered servants of God with Christ for the expression of God's glory.
Fluffy and delicious. It's